Okay, we're going to talk about, we're going to finally get to really adding polynomials. If you feel you're not unsure about what like terms means, or what degree of a term or polynomial means, previous vlogs discussed those topics. But if you're comfortable with that, proceed watching this one. Now, adding polynomials. It means looking at the two polynomials and looking for matching terms, like terms, and combining them. It's how you add polynomials, like we see here. Now, it says you can add them horizontally or vertically. This is how if horizontally is how you look at it here. All right. Vertically, I'll show you after we finish the horizontal. I don't often do it vertically, but you can. So first horizontally. You see the parentheses here and then the addition sign in the middle. Really, when you're adding two polynomials like this, the positive in the middle doesn't really, you don't need the parentheses. You can drop it, but we'll keep it for now so it's clear what we're doing. Now we have 11x cubed. Now I need a matching term in the other one. I'm looking for one anyways. Are there other ones here? Nope, but this one matches. Now we're going to combine these two terms. Okay, that's done. That's done. Now we have negative 12x squared. We need to look for the same matching term, an x squared term in the other polynomial. And as we're looking, that doesn't match. These don't match. Nope. So there aren't any matching terms. So negative 12x squared gets moved down. There's nothing else to combine it with. Okay, now we'll move on to the next term. Nope, not that one. But this one does. Both are x terms. X to the first power. Okay, so now we have plus x minus 10x. So 1 minus 10, negative 9. Now the last terms, do they have x's? No. So what can I identify as the same? So I can use a shape. We can use underlining for like terms. We have minus or negative 3 plus a positive 5. So negative 3 plus 5 is positive 2. Now, I want to make sure there are no more terms that are like terms. And I don't see any. We can no longer, it's fully simplified. We can't do any more. That's the answer. Now, I want to show you what it means to add polynomials vertically. Now the other polynomial below here, we're adding them. We bring the second polynomial down. X cubed goes there. Now, we notice there are no x squared terms in the second polynomial. So we leave it blank. You can leave it blank, or you can put 0x squared if you want. It's a kind of placeholder to keep things in line. You don't have to do that. You can leave it blank and skip over it. Now we have an x term on top. We need the matching x term below from the second polynomial. And now we can see all the terms are matched. They're all like terms now. We don't have to look for terms that match. It's already done. So now, some prefer vertically, some prefer horizontally. It's up to you. It doesn't matter what you want. Now you can work on these next three on your own, these practice problems. One warning. Those two terms are not like. You must have the variables matching with the same exponents on the same variables. Now we're going to subtract polynomials. So now, remember I said before, if you are adding two different polynomials, the parentheses don't make a difference because you're adding like terms and you're adding polynomials. It's different this time. Now we have a polynomial, subtract another polynomial. You must have the parentheses because the negative or the subtraction sign will be distributed over the second polynomial. And then it's like normal. You combine like terms. Okay. It's the same as the first polynomial. And now we have distributed the minus sign. It was positive 2x plus 5x. Once I distributed the negative sign, it became negative 3x squared plus 2x plus 5. Right? Same with the 2x and the 5, of course, like I just said. So now it's the same as before. We're looking for like terms and combining like terms. Those two terms, positive 3x squared minus 3x squared, is 0. What do we do? It's just 0. We don't have to write anything. We can just cancel them out. Now, the next matching term, they're like terms. Okay, we can combine those. 4x plus 2x is 6x. Now the last remaining terms. Negative 7 plus 5. The answer is negative 2. Okay. That's how we would subtract polynomials horizontally. If you want to do it vertically, you can, and I'll show that now. Now, we have subtraction sign, minus with the parentheses. It's important. You have to, again, like before, distribute the negative sign. Now, same as before, like terms are already matched up. Just add or subtract them vertically. And the answers match. Okay. Now these 3 or 4 are left. You can practice these skills as well. Now we have a concept check. What's wrong with this? 4b minus 9 is not the correct answer. So pause the video now and look at it and try to figure out what's wrong. Now I hope you've paused it and found the mistake on your own, but if not, we'll do it together. Those are good. That's good. That's the mistake. It should be plus 4. Now we combine like terms. And that's the correct answer. Now we have one with 3 polynomials. You can work. It's the same as before. We can work on it together. There's no effect of the addition sign on a second polynomial. But now, notice this. Because plus a negative really becomes subtracting that term. Now the last polynomial, we have a minus sign. We have to distribute it now. Now we'll look for combining like terms. We'll fully simplify this polynomial. That word, okay, simplify. I sign it like this, where I go from a larger to a smaller. Wait a minute. Huh. 12 minus 4 minus 8 is 0. Okay, they're all gone. Good. Now, hold on. That's 0 too. So my answer is nothing. No, it's not nothing. 0 is a number. It is a value. So you put down your answer is 0. Okay? All right. And I'm done now, and I'll see you next vlog.